So once you've edited and created your sheet set and have defined your title block and all the parameters that you want to see in that sheet set, such as the grid and the graphing and the labeling, the way that you want to see it, and even maybe the views that you want to use, you can then build your sheets. So in this case here, we want to create and build our plan and profile sheet. So one of the things you might want to do before you create the sheets, which you can also do afterwards, is on the plan view is to set the Dynaview filter that you're going to want to display. So right now it's going to display your view filter all. Maybe you create one called plan profile sheet, and that'll just display that particular Dynaview filter, or that view filter that you have. All right. Once you edit that and close this, then what you can do is simply right click on that plan and profile sheet set and select build sheets. And what this will do is it'll automatically go through and it'll create the amount of sheets or the necessary sheets it needs to meet your project. And you can see down here is that it's got these boundaries. So it's created the Dynaviews along my corridor alignment for my runway here, and it's created my sheet. So if I right click on this and say new sheet view, it's going to create another view for just a sheet, and it's going to display that plan and that profile information. Now down below, I can click down here and I can go to another sheet, or you can use your wheel mouse and or down arrow keys on your keyboard to switch from sheet to sheet. So you can kind of scroll through each sheet, or you could create an individual view tab for each of your plan and profile sheets.